The boys just pulled up. So kind of have a last minute backpacking trip planned for today. Aiden's here. What's up, dude? He just got here. And Nate honestly just figured this out like last night, I guess. What's up, dude?
What is up?
So yeah, we getting ourselves going to Virgin Falls in Tennessee. So it should be fun, just like a little one night trip with the boys. Yeah, dude. I got my new pack. I got some new stuff for Christmas. This is basically all my sheesh. Alright. We drove like a good 25 minutes or something. We're all packed up. We are at the REI by where I live, and we are huge with food. Anything like I just like prefer dehydrated meals and stuff. So I think it's like worth it to always have like a hot meal and stuff. So yeah. All right, guys. That kind of took forever. But that was cool. It's really cool in there. These guys were just waiting for me.
Fuck you, bro. You take long forever, bro.
Take long forever, bro. Okay. All right, yes, we are absolutely heading out at this moment in time right now. All right, gamers. We have made it to the parking lot.
Easy this is.
Yeah. I wonder if that will be a little painful.
How's the hat, chat?
It looks good, dude. Looks freaking good, dude. Got myself some Tony Chocolonely. Chocolonely. Yeah. Alright, well, I'm gonna get all my shit on, bro.
Hey, what's up, chat? Sorry.
We're like 0.7 miles from the parking place, probably. It's pretty cool. I must say I enjoy hiking in the fall. We is gaming out here. Trying out my new poles. They're pretty nice. I wish that there was like a better hand grip on the like rubber part, but they're cool. And I can feel a lot of shock absorption because they be wobbling. Yeah, they be wobbling. It's pretty sick. The water is like oddly super clear. I'm crazy. My Crocs, Aiden? You like my Crocs? Dude, this looks so cool. I love it when the trees are like super dense around the trail. And it feels all enclosed.
For like winter time, it's like really green.
The mossy sheesh, Aiden.
It's Tom.
I'm currently standing up here. You coming over here? Yeah, I probably should take off my stuff. That looks so cool. I just took my backpacking stuff off, and we are chilling. That water dripped out my neck, dude. It looks super cool out here. Dude, imagine like camping here. That'd be kind of chill. It'd be so loud though. Oh, dude, I'll have.
That is like some nice water.
I'm gonna carve our initials, I guess, somewhere. I have done it. And for Aiden and Nate's being goodbye to the waterfall. We just heading out. We spent a good little time there. That was super cool. You know, so far a pretty epic trip. Another cool little stream. Currently on a damn ass fucking rock. We got two full streams flowing into one giant, larger stream. I'm gonna get off the rock now, and we go across the river actually. So, yeah. Yeah, so this is a pretty sketch trail, especially if you have one of your, like just a random person, you know, shaking the sheesh. Hey, now yeah, dude.
Here.
I gotta hold my phone in my trekking poles. I guess I can't really film myself going across, but look at that shit, Doug. All right, now I'm past the beginning part, so it might be easier to video. But I just thought that this looks so clean. Like that looks so clean. Right. I'm gonna continue my walk across. Shoot. So we are hiking off trail a little bit to Martha's Pretty Point. What a fucking name, dude. Pretty sick. Is this it? What? Is this it? Oh, okay. I think the cliffs look super cool. Yo. So those gamers went up to like the little waterfall up there, and I am down here, and I'm gonna have myself a little snacking tin and some water because I'm getting hungry. Right? So I gotta eat, you know? Keep walking up. So they found like a shortcut just going up through here to the waterfall, so I'm gonna follow them. I ate my bar and I drank some water. And you made it up to where the waterfall is. Oh yeah, the trail must come right there. Pretty insane. Dude, Martha's Point sure is pretty. Hey, you're supposed to laugh, you fucking asshole.
I didn't laugh, bro. I'm in the moment. We're both laugh.
Oh my sheesh. That's insane, dude. Sick, dude. So we just ran a little bit. Turned out that was actually fraudulent. Martha's Point. We're pulling up on the real one. I like how the waterfall is so loud.
I think our campsite's like by that. That's where the river is.
I'm hanging my
The Caney Fork.
feet off the edge, kind of sketch. But that little tree there, that looks so cool. Snake. Snake.
Did you see this last time, Nate?
Damn, bro, that's crazy. Jade. We made our way back on the main trail, and we're back in our little cool spot.
Imagine cowboy camping right here.
why would you do that?
You got shelter from the rain.
Yes, sir, little bro. Alright, we're gonna get some water at this creek. It's really cool. It's always sick to see like the giant boulders. Don't fall, bro. Oh, are you not getting water over here? I guess there's a stream over there that we need water from, but we're going down here and check it out. The water looks like super blue, where like the water's falling. It's kind of sick and like super clear. Look at that crystal sheesh, dude. That crystal clear sheesh, bro. The light glistening. That looks so good. That's actually freezing. But it feels really good. Dude, the water's like much colder here than it is. Super cool down here. Try to get some water. Dusty. So I've made my way on this log, and I'm standing super sketch up here. I just figured out, or I was just reminded that my shoes are waterproof because I just took a giant step into there's like a pit down there. Yeah, I kind of wanted to climb to the middle of this, but it's probably like a horrible idea, but I should probably do it anyways. Currently chilling on this fucking log, bruh. This is the sketchiest freak. What's up, dude? Sheesh. Nate's doing some crazy shit over here. I scooted back some on the log. Type sheesh. I'm really liking my shoes. It's a nice spot right there. I don't really want to scoot back any further that way because I'm a little scared of those people. They're probably going to think that I'm crazy, so I'm probably going to scooch on this.
Really
We at a next waterfall, the one right before Virgin Falls, but this is like a crazy steep sheesh right here. Kind of sick. Super open. That was insanely steep. So the water goes like back into the cave, like backwards into that cave, which is really sick. We're gonna try and see if we can get in there, but I don't know. We have made it down. Looks insane. Looks absolutely insane. Hi! I want to get closer. Dude, this cave looks so insane. It's so cool. Honestly, like we were talking about it earlier, but this place has like exceeded our expectations by so much. Honestly, I don't even know if you can hear me very well. I forgot about that. I did get a new mic, but I kind of like completely forgot it in the car, which is kind of lame. I wish I would have brought it, but
It's so cool.
Dude, I didn't expect there to be so much dirt.
Yeah. It's like nice and sandy.
Dude, the water is like flowing over here. That's so cool. In like a circle, I guess. It's like an underground cave or some shit. But that's pretty insane. It's so sick. Kind of like super freaky being under here. I'm gonna dip my fucking toes in this shit, bro. There's a hole?
Yeah.
Oh shit. Oh my gosh. We just pulled up after walking a little while. Dude, that is insane. Oh my gosh, dude. This is so sweet. Wow. That is so insane.
Dude, the camera's even like capture that fucking bad is.
I know, it's actually huge.
That sucks. If you want to actually see how big it is on the camera, you gotta go all the way down. You need like weight, like right in front of it.
Yeah, you need Nave up there. Dude, honestly, this is like way bigger than I thought it would be. Alright, we made to our campsite and we took our stuff off. Feels very nice to have our packs off. I'll show the waterfalls over there. It's kind of a nice noise. Like honestly, I feel like the waterfall's a pretty nice noise for us to sleep with. That's huge.
Holy shit.
Is that just one? Is there only... Oh.
No, there's like 4 in here.
Nice. How is that shit, bro?
It was pretty good. Yeah.
Alright, chat. We're about to cook some grub. I'll go get my grub out. Me and Aiden got our puffy jackets on that we got for Christmas. So comfy, and I feel so warm, like instantly. Just pretty nice. It feels very cute too. So, it also looks good, which is like all that really matters when you're backpacking, to be honest with you. So I think the plan is if we do need water, we can go, there's like a loop that goes up over top of the waterfall, so we can get some water from there. But Aiden is whipping out his famous camping chair.
It's famous.
Yeah.
It is definitely famous.
It looks rough to put together, but
Actually not.
jab me.
Put it up.
Dude, good stuff. Test it out, sit in it, sit in it, sit in it. Alright, how do you feel?
I feel like chill.
Dude, you look so sick right now, bro. I got a picture.
Do you have a eating utensil? Nope. I'm just gonna slurp it down with my fat ass.
Damn. He's my flag. Chopstick.
Yeah, that's kind of true, actually.
Is that a new knife you got, Aiden?
Yeah.
Oh, nice. That's cool. Sheesh. I'm feeling super good in this puppy, bro. It's like the warmest shit I've ever had on. Like, I don't feel any coldness. My cheeks are a little cold. On my...
so cold.
I look cold?
No, not really, actually.
You just lied to me?
Yeah, I always lied to you.
Damn. I'm stealing Aiden's camping chair and testing it out on my chaps. Dude, that is nice. That is real nice. It's nice and chill, bro.
How do I take it out?
Take off the button. Snap the button.
No, it comes off. I see.
Yeah. Pretty sick.
Shing! One sword style.
Bro carved chopsticks out of sticks with a knife.
Work just as good as the real things.
So I tragically left some of my stuff in my apartment in Knoxville, so I don't have my spoon. So I have to wait for Aiden to eat first and then eat last, but that's okay. Yeah, it sucks that I left that there, but yeah, dude. We're just messing around and talking and stuff, cutting up, shooting shit, you know, having a good time. Super nice out here. I feel like I was about to say sheesh. Alright, Aiden's eating. He's working on the fire.
Like, show them the food.
Yes, I will. I am cooking up I'm boiling up my water. He's got the...
Dude, it looks so gas, but I don't know if it does.
It looks gas, but you don't know if it looks gas.
Yeah, if you're like
Is it good?
a sane person. Yeah.
Yeah, you add peanut butter and peanuts to it. It looks good. Alright. I have added the water to my meal. It's nice and warm in there. I'm excited. I am actually like starving.
Yeah.
Oh, I guess Nate's starting up his gotta let that sit for like 9-ish minutes, I guess.
I'll set up mine.
Alright. I washed the spoon or spork thing with these little like scentless backpacking like soap papers that my girlfriend got for me. They're super cool and I really appreciate it. It was sick and useful for situations such as that. Okay, making sure it was recording. Aiden is putting the tent stakes out because he's a bitch and he's doing it for me.
True.
I appreciate him doing that though. I'm just kidding.
Thank you.
I got my thermals on. They feel super good. They're new. Same brand as my puppy. I'm probably gonna keep this on for a little bit and stuff, but sheesh. Yeah, Aiden, I think I am pretty sure I have an extra hiking shirt, so I'll let you use it. I think so. So the other one got soaked because he brought like a completely cotton one and it's soaked in his juices, his body juices. So
Terrible life choices.
yes, bro. Yo. I don't know how that looks, or how good the lighting in this tent is, but we are in bed now, and it's nice and snug in here. Let me just go on the channel. Like 20 minutes of this. Really? Even though they're going down to yeah, it is. Okay. We're gonna go to sleep soonish, maybe. Probably gonna talk about some gamer stuff for a little bit, and then some gamer stuff. Yeah, and then oh wait, you can even see my face. And then I'll catch y'all gamers in the morning. So yeah. You looking at a bad bitch, nothing left. Dude, you bumping that Kendrick Lamar, dude? I must say, last night was really fucking rough. And I was tossing and turning in that damn tent like a house salad from fucking Outback Steakhouse. I'll have you know, I absolutely dominated my sleeping bag this morning. And it was a record time, I must say. But, yeah. We're gonna pack up and get some water from the waterfall stream up there. Should get some cool shots, so see you there. I got myself, this is my breakfast, some dark chocolate. I don't know if they had any milk chocolate.
Yeah, I don't know either.
Very cool. Some Willy Wonka aesthetic to it, which I very much appreciate. I am an absolute chocolate fiend, and I love chocolate. So, alright. This is what we're working with right now. It says Tony's on it. Oh, that's hard.
How's the chocolate?
It's good. So after that first little Tony's chunk, I realized that there's a sick design. I don't really.
God, I can smell it from here.
The chocolate?
Yes.
It's
got a massive whiff.
Dude, that's fun. That's
Bear.
fucking fun. That's like chocolate made fun. But like chocolate's already fun. So it's just like. So you might not be able to hear me, but just to give you a perspective on how big this waterfall is, that is Nate right there. That is Nate. So again, I don't know if you can hear me, but I'm coming up on the waterfall and it's a little bit less loud because I'm like behind it. The trail is a little Steepington Sally, I must say. Nate. What's up? I just got water. About to go down the backside of this waterfall, and which is a pretty sketch area. I'm in my wet Crocs, so you know I'll be fine. Probably. Got some fresh socks and some fresh meat. Fresh socks, fresh meat, dude. I'm gonna change and take my thermal leggings off and get down to my underwear, so don't look. I just peed like one shade off of brown, but we are getting packed up. I am like all ready. I think that they ate some stuff.
What's up, vlog? This is 2024, the day before 2025.
Yeah, dude, this is all right. Thank you. This is actually New Year's Eve. So happy New Year's, you know, by the time this comes out.
Yeah, it's coming out today, actually.
No,
The thing is, I already saw the whole movie.
I'm too lazy for that.
Looking tough, Nate.
All right, got some pictures of all of us at the waterfall. Sadly, we couldn't get it to do like one with all three of us, which was lame. But we heading out.
I was there in spirit.
It's just the same hike back that it was here, so I don't know how much more videoing I will do, but waterfall.
What's up?
That is a trail. That's a little scary looking. We're gonna take a break here, Jed, at the Laurel Falls. This one was super cool. Whew. I'm up here on this rock, pretty high up, kind of freaky, but yeah, it's pretty crazy. You can't probably hear me very well, but it can't quite capture the scale of this because it's kind of really big, and I'm pretty high up right now on this rug, but it looks so sick. So I made my way up here. I wanted to get like on the waterfall, but it's like it's a little too steep. Like I tried getting up there, but I just was sliding down. I don't know if I can. I'll try. Actually, I think I can make it from here. If you can hear me. I made it. Hello, we have made it back to the car, and I got my mic finally connected. I'm pretty sure it's working. We're gonna go to Moe's. I'm very tired. I didn't sleep at all last night. I would say that was a sick fucking trip, dude. And yeah.
Maybe that's how we can work on that sleep.
Yeah. Yeah. Alright. Honestly, I might vlog a little bit in Moe's. That would be funny. I actually worked there, so I'm looking forward to my free meal. So, We made it to Moe's. We are eating. We are eating Moe's right now. At Moe's. I got my food for free, which is really sick. Stop, please. What's up, gamers? I've been home since we got Moe's for about like 2 hours now. I did the classic shit shower and shave, and I feel like a wonderful new man. I'm excited to nap, but I'm also excited to edit this video. I do enjoy that. It's New Year's Eve, so hope y'all had a good Christmas and a happy New Year. So yeah, that'll be fun, and I'm excited. And I hope y'all enjoyed. So peace.